Tinanghal naman ng The Global Iconic Aces Awards ang ating POW Chief Persida Acosta na a Woman of Substance and Remarkable Public Servant of the Year.
Let's watch this video.
We can't contain our gladness. We want to express our happiness. We're overfilled with joy today. We have a celebration for a good reason. We're done with many nights of weeping. This is our morning of rejoicing. Good vibes in the air, we truly feel. And there's the voice of the people saying.
The Global Iconic Aces Awards 2024 celebrated the brilliance and achievements of exceptional individuals from around the world by shining the spotlight on these icons who made an impact on the global stage. The said awarding ceremony was conducted in Okada, Manila, and one of the awardees is none other than our Chief Public Attorney, Dr. Persida V. Rueda Acosta, DSD. She was honored with the award of a Woman of Substance and Remarkable Public Servant of the Year. Our POW Chief was represented by her beautiful daughter, Attorney Kayla Acosta.
Isang malaking karangalan po ang maging kinatawan ng aking ina na si Chief Persida Acosta upang tanggapin ang kanyang award na a Woman of Substance and Remarkable Public Servant of the Year. Maraming salamat po, Third Global Iconic Aces Awards 2024.
The said award-giving body recognized the steadfast leadership and unwavering principles of our POW Chief Acosta as she leads the largest law firm in the Philippines, the Public Attorney's Office, resulting in aiding millions of clients in their legal problems. Also utilizing social media to effectively disseminate legal education and provide on-the-spot legal inquiry solutions.
My beloved mother, Chief Persida Acosta, consistently upholds the rule of law and believes that justice can eradicate poverty. Sama-sama, tulong-tulong. As a result, she cares for the POW clients, shares her legal knowledge to everyone through her online legal dissemination program or Persida Acosta's Legal Advice or #Pala on her Facebook page. And motherly loves everyone, hindi lang po ako at ang aking bunsong kapatid, kundi pati ang lahat ng nangangailangan ng libreng serbisyo legal.
Attorney Kayla Acosta pointed out the very definition of a remarkable woman of substance.
She is, indeed, a woman of essence and substance, an inspiration for us women at syempre pati sa mga kalalakihan. And so it is you, everyone. You are a gift and an inspiration. Trust that our presence was made to impact those around us from this generation to the next as we continue to courageously show the world all the good inside of all of us.
Chief Acosta, you're defending the people's rights. You keep on fighting the good fight, the justice and public service. You've dedicated your life. You're deeply touching others' lives. You're fighting the good fight, this cannot be denied. Onward and fighting.
For #Pala News, Amy Ravello, one with POW Chief Persida Acosta, Justice Against Poverty.